Want to burn fat while you sleep? Then stop wasting your evenings. Here are 7 simple evening habits that trigger your metabolism and keep your body burning fat, even overnight. Habit number 1. Eat dinner 3 hours before bed. Late dinners stop fat burning because your body is busy digesting instead of repairing. Eat your last meal at least 3 hours before sleeping. Your body will shift into recovery and fat-burning mode sooner. Habit number 2. Light protein dinner. Eating light protein like fish, eggs, or tofu keeps you full and supports muscle recovery overnight. Avoid heavy carbs. They slow digestion and turn to fat while you rest. Habit number 3. Go for a short walk after dinner. Just a 10-minute walk helps control blood sugar and improves digestion. It's a simple way to tell your body, we're done eating, now start burning. Habit 4. Warm herbal tea instead of dessert. Sweet cravings at night are fat traps. Replace dessert with green tea, chamomile, or ginger tea. These boost metabolism and calm your mind. Habit number 5. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed. Blue light stops melatonin and reduces deep sleep. Your body burns fat mostly during deep sleep. Turn off your phone and relax your mind for faster recovery. Habit number 6. Sleep in a cool room. Cool temperatures make your body burn more calories to stay warm. Set your bedroom around 19-20 degrees, 66-68 degrees F. It's the fat-burning sweet spot. Habit number 7. Practice gratitude or deep breathing. Stress raises cortisol, the fat-storing hormone. Calm your mind with deep breathing or gratitude journaling. Peaceful sleep. Higher metabolism tomorrow. To burn fat while you sleep, remember, eat light and early, walk after dinner, skip dessert, sip tea, no screens, cool room, relax and sleep deep. Do these every night, and your body will melt fat like never before. Your evenings decide your next day's energy and fat loss. Start these habits tonight and wake up leaner and lighter. Tap like, subscribe, and comment Fat Burn Mode if you're ready to let your body do the work overnight.